If you want a smoother level of blur effect onto your image, then what you can do is you can utilize Tileable Blur. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto filters, and then you need to go to blur right here. And then over here you can see that Tileable Blur is an option. Once you go around onto Tileable Blur, you can go around and change around the radius, but you don't get a preview because it takes a bit of processing time. So you don't have preview by default. You need to go around and apply in order to see how this actually looks. So once you go around and press OK, you can see that it actually goes around, takes a bit of time to process, and then the blur is applied. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. And if I were to go around onto filter right here, onto Tileable Blur right here, you can go around and change it out to blur horizontally or vertically only as well. So I can blur it horizontally but not vertically. Apart from this, you got the blur type, as you can see right here. For example, over here there's IIR algorithm of blur, and this is more suited for photographic or scanned images, while RLE is for blurring out computer generated images such as let's say vector graphics and so forth. So I'm just going to go for IIR and blur it horizontally and press OK, and what happens is that it utilizes the algorithm right here just like this and then blurs it out horizontally, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around and apply Tileable Blur effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.